Namaste. Today I am going to talk about the topic which is called as a negative karma. Some people horoscope as a horrible negative karma. They must have done so much of negative karma in the life, it gets reflected in the horoscope very easily. First of all, if you see people whose lineage karma is very weak, their family karma is very weak, the Rahu and the Ketu gets associated with many planets. Whenever Rahu and Ketu gets associated with more than 2-3 planets, people life is actually very difficult. It is kind of very tragical. There is a lot of tragedy which happens in their particular life. So first of all, if you take a horoscope, if you see there are many planets associated with Rahu and Ketu, you will have a lot of problem. For example, you take the 1962 horoscope, a lot of planet gets the conglomeration. That is, right now also we had the Ashtagraha Serkai, all the 8 grahas combined together, and it was in the Rahu Ketu axis. After that, we have had Corona, we have had a series of economic fall down, we have had a difficulty across. So first of all, please understand, whenever the horoscope has a lot of planet associated with Rahu and Ketu, their life becomes very tragical, their life becomes very problematic. And the second thing is the malefic planets. For example, Saturn is with Rahu or Ketu, Mars is with Rahu and Ketu, and Saturn and Mars combined together with Rahu and Ketu, and these kind of planetary combination also shows that the family karma is very weak, the lineage karma is very weak, and people have a lot of issues with lot of things. The second problem is, if you see a lot of planet in Graha Yuddha, I saw a person whose horoscope was a psychiatry, she had literally many planets in Graha Yuddha. It was all in close degree, so you can generally say if there are more than 4 or 5 planets in Graha Yuddha, the person life will have a lot of tragedy, the person life will have a lot of problem in their personal life. Therefore, this is also another indication from the horoscope. You can see right now I saw a Saturn Mars horoscope combination, and in fact that Saturn Mars Mars Rahu combination, and that from that Mars Rahu many planets are in Graha Yuddha. So you can simply say that whenever many planets are in Graha Yuddha, people have a lot of issue with regard to that. In fact, the Rahu and the Ketu can be taken as the negative karma indicator. Whichever place Rahu Ketu is there, that we can take as a negative indicator, and that tend to show in the events. People who have a lot of planets with the Rahu Ketu have problem with their work. For example, Saturn is associated with Rahu Ketu, people have problem in their work. They cannot grow fast, they have a problem, and whenever they do business, they tend to lose a lot of money, and they have to borrow money to sustain the business. They are not able to do one business for a very long period of time. They start restarting the business again and again, and they never make money across. Ketu into your personal life, you need to do remedies. You need to do remedies for a long period of years. It is not months or days. Whenever you do the remedies, the situation becomes okay. In fact, you need to do it for a long period of time for the situation to become okay. And also, whenever Saturn, Mars, Rahu, Ketu gets associated in a woman's chart, generally she has problem with the husband. The husband does not do well. The husband does not make money. The husband has a lot of issues across. Whenever Venus Rahu is there, then people have a problem with regard to their marriage. Generally, their regard to the marriage, and women, whenever they have many planets with Rahu and Ketu, they have problem with the uterus. They develop fibroids, cysts, they have hormonal problem, they have obesity. All these particular problem comes up, and generally many of them do not have children. They have to adopt children in their life, and they have a lot of issue across. All these things happens in a people's life. Therefore, please understand, whenever Rahu Ketu happens with associated with many planets or many planets in the Graha Yuddha, 5-6 things you can see. First, in the lineage, somebody must have committed suicide. First, in the lineage, somebody must have died in a very, very draconian manner or in a very difficult manner. The second thing, in the family, there will be no unity. People will go on fighting with each other. They will have a lot of misunderstanding. They will have a lot of problem. The third most important thing is they'll be staying in one house for a very, very long period of time. They'll be staying in one house for a long number of years, and they will not be growing or evolving. For some kind of a situation, they cannot leave the place, and the place karma will really cast them up across as a person. The fourth most important thing is, whenever Rahu Ketu is associated with many planets and there is a lot of Graha Yuddha with the planets, people tend to have more problem. Like, for example, they cannot get their children married, or many of them will not have work, money, and it will be a lot of tragedy will be happening into their lineage. In fact, if one person is very good, the other person will not be. Like, if there are two brothers, one person will be okay, the other person will not be okay. Like that, people will have a tremendous problem into their family karma. So please understand that you need to do a lot of repetition with regard to this karma. Now, if you are unable to do it, you will have a lot of problem. I know there was a guy who was having a career problem. I asked him, did you abort a baby? He said, yes, I aborted a baby, after which he has had a terrible career problem across as a person. In fact, I know somebody who was got involved with the black magic, whose family was hit with the black magic, and that guy was not able to make money. He had continuous problem with the work. He had a problem in work in one way or the other. He never was able to make money. So please understand, people don't take all these things into consideration. They simply say, no, this has no impact. No, the horoscope will show you the tremendous impact on the lineage karma, family karma, which tends to have a impact into their personal life. So many people have a particular problem because their lineage karma is affected, and the Rahu Ketu has many planets. So whenever many planets are associated with Rahu Ketu and there is a Graha Yuddha, you need to repeat the remedial measure for a long number of years. Then only there will be an impact. You will be able to come out of the problem. Now, many people are not aware, and few people who are aware do not have the inclination to do the remedial measure, and they cannot do the remedial measure for a long period of time. and it is very deep, and you need to use consistent pounding on that karma to clear the thing across. Many people of this family get caught with the guru, and the guru tends to exploit them, manipulate them, and try to use and throw them and create all kinds of problem for them as a person. Therefore, the people who have Rahu Ketu get associated with the wrong guru, many planets with the wrong guru, they tend to create a lot of problem for themselves. So I request you to do the remedial measure. You check your horoscope. If many planets are associated with Rahu Ketu, and if there are many planets in Graha Yuddha, you will have a lot of problems in life. And normally in these particular houses, there are a lot of psychiatric problem. People of this sort have, one way or the other, there are psychiatric patients in the house who become restless, who tend to beat them and who tend to abuse them. This is commonly seen in many Brahmin family, because if you take the horoscope, the Rahu Ketu association will be there, and many planets in Graha Yuddha will be there. They will not be able to make money, and they will have a lot of issues in their personal life. Normally in these people, there will be one person who will not be married, there will be one person who will not have children, one person, the work and career will have a problem. Like that, you can see it across. So remedial measure is one of the best, horoscope analysis is one of the best way to see how these problems are happening. I request you to keep looking at the channel.